Hi everyone, here we've got EMPORIA Smart 3 Mini, and let me share with you how to reset digital rights management, so DRM, on this device. So firstly we have to find and open the settings, and let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Now we have to tap on Advanced and find Reset Options. As you can see, on the very first position we've got the option we are looking for, so let's tap on it and tap again on the DRM Reset. Right now your device is telling me that this operation will delete all the licenses on this device, so if you are ready, tap on OK, and as you can see the licenses have been deleted successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to reset digital rights management in your EMPORIA Smart 3 Mini. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.